you do. You have nasty. You have nasty.
Lizzie, rub my feet. That was our bet. You're already in there. What does it matter now?
I feel everything.
What are you supposed to feel?
Nothing.
Don't you wish you would have won in bowling?
Shut up!
Well, you lost like 500 times.
I will jump on you.
No, you lost in bowling. I can deduct more.
You can't deduct. That's my money.
Yeah, if you're horrible at a massage, I just deduct your money.
So you owe me $30.
No.
She owed me $30.
I'm not...
Can we get onto your hands?
No, my feet aren't done. Do this one again.
No! They're so nasty. They look like Gru's feet.
Oh.
Stop moving.
Oh, it's cold.
Good. So, what?
Oh yeah, get in there.
This is amusing to you. It's not funny to me.
Why are you laughing? There you go.